Mema Obibi Akwaba Eba GC News. Hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm Bremo. Christian Atsu latest betudwane se yehunu na mu wafri mu arehosempa na abeto Ghana so ene Black Star fo nyina. Na nipa wode sasemwe ebetudwa ni agent aye friend no na sechere wakotote ne message a wode to ho. Na ansa na yebekọ ensem Mr. say won subscribe to the channel na o be subscribe o click subscribe button no say you hu wo screen so na wabele notification no wo ya nsa video fufuru bia be upload no so wonsa ebeka bi afi wo ya na wa like video no my thumbs up na afi wa share ama ofoforo so enya bi ahwe afi yenko ensem mu nanu efuka esi wotaki na yebeto dwase Christian Atsu aka wana efuka yi edan no ebuegu wan so na de arehosem na aba na nyina ebo mpa se nyame bedi no ho afofi na de abeto mu se yehunu ne mu no ewo debris ni bi ase na nipa odi sase we ebeto dwa ni agent aye friend no na sechere na otwete na se motro ne se o se it is with the heaviest of heart that I have to announce to all well wishers that sadly Christian Atsu's body was recovered this morning. My deepest condolence go to his family and loved ones. I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone for their prayers and support. Na chese arehosempa na abano yehunemu no na wode arechiche se ekoma ne busuafo ene adofo nyina. Na sase mo betu dwa no Ghana embassy wo Turkey wan so de krata ababonten na wan chese wan be ya hoboa na yetimi edenemu no aba Ghana na krata wan de betu abonten no enne wo screen so wan chese recovery of the remains of Christian Atsu, Accra, 18 February 2023. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration has received the unfortunate news of the recovery of the body of Christian Atsu from the rubble of his apartment following the earthquake which struck Turkey on 6 February 2023. This comes after almost 12 days of tortuous search by a rescue team. The Ghana embassy in Turkey, which conveyed the sad news, indicates that the body was recovered early this morning, Saturday 18 February 2023. The elder brother and twin sister of Christian Atsu and an officer of the embassy were present at the site when the body was recovered. Government extends to the widow and family of Christian Atsu our deepest condolence. The embassy is currently making the necessary arrangements with assistance of the government of Turkey to have the body transported to Ghana for burial. The public will be updated on further development. All media houses. Ghana embassy in Turkey edebeto abonten ne chese arehosempa na abba. Na yehwe Christian Atsu hu sem kakra yewo no kind story now say born in Adafua in the Greater Accra region of Ghana on January 10, 1992.
Hot news all time.
Christian Atsu revealed that money was hard to come by while growing up. He once said that losing his father in the tragic circumstances made life even more difficult for his family. Atsu in 2013 made it big when Chelsea came calling after he was identified as a long-term prospect. Chelsea paid £3.5 million to FC Porto and signed Christian Atsu, who was subsequently loaned to Betis, Ahem, Everton, AFC, Bournemouth, and Malaga. Na yehwe abasobodi bia Christian Atsu enyaye. And on the wall we screen so Betis Player of the Year 2013 to 2014, African Cup of Nations Player of the Tournament, that is 2015. African Cup of Nations Team of the Tournament 2015-2017, African Cup of Nations Goal of the Tournament 2015, Primera Liga winner 2012 to 2013, EFL Championship winner 2016 to 2017. Arehosempa na Atsu nyina yamabusuafo yakọ na amanfo bebre na ekire wona dwen wona de wansem tudwa. With the Majid Daily, he gave prisoners hope with his philanthropic program. He gave young players the hope as he donates football boots to them. Atsu really paid his dues on and off the pitch. And also the day what they buy. With the Monday, Agbesi or see, reading this letter from Foreign Affairs Ministry, God, you know what I want to type. But for the sake of peace and the respect I have for a true Christian, I want rest in power, hero. And also, Nasema, whatever to dra. Now, Ghana phone send Bibra, one day to dra. We so say, Owusu entry, Stephen, or say he left home to feed home. But now he will be taken home in a casket. R.I.P. legend, you have finished your work on earth and your maker wants you to return to heaven. And also, Nidia Enono. We so the Ayuba Rastro say they never had arrangement to rescue him, but now doing possible best to bring his dead body out of Ghana. Why? We are not serious as a nation. And also, Nidia Enono. We the Kelly Fred or say, but the embassy never issued a statement about the support of a search. Also, Nidia Enono. We the Nana Kweku Annan or say, very sad news for Ghana and the whole world this morning for the tragedy death of Christian Atsu. May he so rest in peace. We so the Akufo-Addo or say, dead body there. Ghana is in a hurry to carry come town for funeral. Meanwhile, Coach Silas Tete is alive in this same country, Ghana, and as if the country haven't heard him appealing for his money.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Anyway,
Hot news
rest in
all
peace,
time.
champion Atsu. You did what my kind couldn't do. Also, Nidia Enono. We saw the Prissy Abuaji or say very fast update on his remains, but no update on his rescue. Africans love the dead and rest well, champ. Also, Nasemno. Yo, it is for also betting actually watching afa. Something we now a comment box anymore. Mobete Minkabium in my next video.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.